Brian, nice to meet you.
Yeah, thanks for having me on.
Yeah, thank you for being here. Tell the audience who you are and what your company does.
Yeah, so I'm Brian Wilson. I'm from Acuity. I came over recently with the sports lighting acquisition, but at Acuity, we focus on full building controls from whether it's lighting, HVAC, lighting controls, refrigeration controls, and including intelligent spaces like wayfinding, etc.
Okay. And so tell me about lighting control. Like how does that work? And is it a server that you install? Like what's the hardware that's required?
Yeah, we do everything from wireless to wired. So depending on what the space is required, it comes with just your standard like switches from dimming and on and off, all the way up to a full touchscreen interface for control. You can schedule, you can provide any types of single room control or zone control, occupancy sensing, daylight harvesting or sensing. So really depending on the application, whether it's interior or exterior, but we can connect and control it all from one source.
And so some of the advantages of that would be that you can save on energy because you're maximizing, let's say, you can shut stuff off on schedules. Like what are some of the benefits around that?
Correct. Yeah. So one, from an occupancy standpoint, right? So make sure the lights are off or really dim when someone's not in the room, saving on energy. Number two is really making it easier to reduce the energy in all the spaces, whether it's exterior, interior. That's really the main benefit. But then also making sure if someone's in the room, there's light there for safety, right? So there's energy reduction and safety instances that are key.
And so you said you do lighting, you do air conditioning. So all of these devices, like, are they purchased in modules, or how does it? How's the setup happen?
Yeah, so we really like to be as like a one company interface. Today, there's multiple divisions within a company where you would purchase the product through, and then some of them are bought through integrators, some of them are bought through lighting distributors. But from working with a single person at Acuity, we kind of act as that intermediary or in that one-stop shop type mentality.
Nice.
So whether they might be purchased through different kind of mechanisms today, we have one face to the industry.
Okay. And then is there a software that they utilize that helps them manage all this? Is it centralized? Like how do they access it?
Correct. Yeah. So there's a couple things, right? So as at a startup or whenever you've installed the product from either hardware or software perspective, we do startup commissioning so that all the lights are connected and working, and then we walk you through that training software. So it's a computer interface that you can then control the lights on, and we train the customer how to do that.
That's amazing. And so what else? So you said AC, lighting, and what else was there?
Refrigeration.
What is that related to?
So refrigeration is, you can think about these larger venues that, I mean, you can look at, I don't call it Target or Walmart or like one of these sports complexes that have food that need to be stored in cold areas. We essentially control the temperature of those to make sure that either you're frozen or you're at a refrigeration temperature, and we're controlling that mechanism.
So again, it could be a wired or wireless device that's placed in the actual freezer,
correct,
or fridge, and that can be controlled up and down.
Correct. Yep.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And so do you sell across the country, other countries? Like where's your geographic
we're primarily
area?
Focused on the North American market. Is really our stronghold, but we do sell internationally as well. But from we're the largest lighting and control manufacturer in North America, and that's really our strong focus.
Amazing. Incredible. So where do people find out more information if they want to look up your products? Yeah,
so they can contact me or go to acuity.com, acuitybrandslighting.com, or contact myself at brian.wilson@acuitybrands.com.
That's a very memorable name, so nobody should forget that.
We get that a lot. Yeah.
Well, thank you for talking to me. That's very interesting stuff, and I might look into it for myself. Can you put it in a house?
Yeah. We have more simple residential applications as well.
Excellent.
So,
Well, nice talking to you.
yeah, thank you.